Where are you guys hiking to?
Arilla Poncha.
Like this. Open your mouth. Chocho lips. There, everybody, give me a shaka. Alright. I'm gonna go under the branch.
Under what branch?
I know. He's just like your dad. Look at her. Emma crying. Come on.
Here. Whoa, there's so much painting in here. Can you lift me? Wait.
That's people's art. Yeah, that's Evie.
Who wrote that?
Evie?
They did my initial on it, but it was the X good, but I think I'll try on. There's water on the top of it.
Go on top. You can sit on the edge.
Oh, it's a heart of one.
Can you make it?
Made it! Woo! Hey, everybody! This is Greg! I just won the champion!
Fat lip, wait. Show your lips. You guys wanna go look inside?
What if we get stuck in there?
is easier, I think.
Come out here?
Yeah, it's short, it's lower.
Okay. Yes, let's go to the beach. First, we're gonna go to the other pillbox. Yeah, it's not that bad. See you later, guys. Whee!
Look. That's somebody's boat.
Now I think it was hard riding it. Try with this. Look.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, it's a hut thing. I don't know. It's called, I forget. Chicken hut? What? I'm in the house. You can go inside it. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's carving. There's an upstairs.